Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to install Microsoft List app and how to use it to manage the list you have. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to tell you that if you watch the whole video and any question comes in your mind, feel free to write the questions. Alright guys, so guys, in front of you I have searched for this app in my Android device and I have the option to install, so I'm just gonna tap on install. Now it is installed, so click on open. You need to sign in using your office or work account, so that I'm gonna. Okay, so what it says, create and manage all your list in one place across all devices. All right, then what else? Ready-made templates, get inspired and customize it to bring your vision to life. Quickly scan and upload your documents securely. Fine. Customize view. Let's go. Okay, so I see all the lists that I have and also the sites they have. So if I open a list, what are the things I see? Okay. I can add to favorite, I can rename, I can share, remove. And if I go to a list, uh, I can add a new item. Okay. So basically, this is an app where you can access all your list and manage them at a central location. Perfect. If I want to create a new list, I can create a new list. I have the templates. Okay. And we can also share the list as well. For example, if I want to share this, I can go and share. And here I can share it with the people I want to. If I open this list, I have like sorting option, filter option, group by option, more, add column, share list, open in browser, and I can delete also. So all the list operations that you do, you can do from this app. So this is a good app and you can download and use it. So let me know how you feel about it, and thanks for watching this video.